Hi guys, I'm Manushree. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another hiking spot in Mumbai. So if you guys enter from the gate number 1 that I also entered from, then you have to keep walking straight and then take a left and chalte chalte you'll come to this place जहाँ पे parking लिखा है. So this is the parking spot. So you can get your own vehicle, and that over there is the entry, and there's this butterfly garden as well. So we have covered half of the KT trail, and if you go ahead, the SP trail starts, which we are going to go to next. And we also have this stick that the person at the entry spot gave us. So there are a lot of sticks there you can use, and it'll help you to navigate through the trail. In case of monsoon season also, it's pretty helpful because the trail gets pretty slippery. The trail is actually beginner friendly only. Also, there are a lot of markings like these about the trail. So I think every 50 meters there's a marking which will help you navigate. And the first trail that starts is the KT trail that we have just begun. And I think next is the SP trail, and then there's another one which from where you can see the village also. I think it starts from B. But if from here you take a right, then there's a leopard trail. So there's a stream over there, and it's pretty good, and it will lead you back to the gate number 1 spot. Also, the entry fee is 150 rupees if you come from Monday to Friday, and if you come on weekends then it's 200 rupees. And I think it's pretty cheap because there are, I think, 5 trails in total, and you will easily spend half a day here. So remember to carry your own bottles, and यहाँ पे plastics फेंकना मना है. ये काटने वाले लीव्स है. Oh my god, okay. Oh, how do I navigate? Okay, safe. When you reach the end of the KT trail, and यहाँ पे SP दिखेगा, तो यहाँ से if you take a right and थोड़ा चलते गए, then you will see the LT trail, that is the leopard trail. There's this pretty tree, and it has some fruit in this जो यहाँ पे पूरा गिरा है, and this is how it looks like. It looks like a star fruit, something, but yeah, it has a white trunk. dead end. We didn't really do the SP trail because it's very hot and we came at a very odd time. So KT के बाद ही थक गए and it's like since it was my first time it took a while to navigate because थोड़ा बैठ के आए because it's too hot and we also took a little photos and videos so it took time. So after the KT trail we went a little bit for SP but then we saw that it's very long so we came back to the LT trail and we exited. जिसका exit is like gate 1K उधर ही है. And then from there now I'm going back to the entry ticket spot because ये वापस देना है and थोड़ा पानी ले लेंगे क्योंकि हम दोनों का बॉटल ख़त्म हो गया है. Please don't come during this hot humid hours which is 10 to 12 10 to 2 मत आओ भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रहा है and थक गए. But I think like afternoon post 2 or 3 PM will be really good. छाँव रहेगा. I'm so tired. But it's such a good trail to come if you're in Mumbai, like Goregaon mein hi hai. It's a bit far for me, but not that far that you have to go out of the city for a trek, good hike, nature hike. But yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Share it to your other nature lover, trail or trek lovers and stuff. And I'll see you in another vlog. Bye bye.